name's Louise and I'm an LSA at Heritage House, and today I'm going to make some chocolate brownie. Okay, so I've got all my things measured out already. So I've got my butter, 5 ounces, 10 ounces of caster sugar, 1 ounce of plain flour and 2 ounces of self-raising flour. I've got my chocolate drops here and they're already melted, ready to go in. So first of all, I'm going to put the butter and the sugar and the vanilla essence. Okay, I'm going to put the butter in first and then add the sugar, and then we need half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. In it goes. Okay, now I'm going to stir it up. Okay, that's all mixed in together, and now we need to add 2 eggs to our mixture. I'm going to crack them into the bowl first, so I can use this bowl. And then we're just going to add one at a time. Okay, all the eggs are mixed in, and now we're going to do the cocoa powder and the 2 flours. So I'm going to mix the flours together first because they can go in, it all goes in at the same time. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So that's 1, 2. Okay. This is all going to go in at the same time, a little bit at a time. I'm going to put a little bit in, mix it in, and then a little bit more. Okay. This is all mixed in now, and now I'm just going to add the chocolate that we heated earlier. I just heated this in the microwave, and this is 4 ounces of chocolate drops just melted. So they're all going to go in like that. And then we're going to mix this in. Okay, mixed in. And we're now going to put it into the baking tray. Right, this baking tray is supposed to be 9 by 9, but my 9 by 9 tray broke, so I'm using this one. Okay, it should be fine. Get it all in. Okay, that's all done and in there. I'm going to put it in my oven. I've put my oven on 180, and I'm going to put it in my oven for 35 minutes. And there they are, all ready. Got to wait for them to cool down for a little bit, and then when they've cooled down you can ice them or just eat them how they are.